Application problem 3 on slopes and lines. Find the rate of change between 2 points. What does this rate signify in each of the following? Remember to include the units for rates. As you remember, slopes gives you rate of change also, right? Slope and rate of change are kind of similar things. The only difference or significance of rate is that rate always have units. At what rate did you buy something, right? Do you see? So there is rate. When you go for grocery shopping, for example, then you find that apples are $1.99 per pound. So there is a rate, right? So rate relates to two different units. And here, think that we have a coordinate system where x-axis has a separate rate than y. For example, the first coordinate which we are giving is -4, 6 is the x coordinate, and 3 and -5 as the y coordinate. Here x is in seconds. That means along the x-axis we have time which is in seconds, right? That's what we mean. So here we have time t in seconds and y is in meters. So this y is in meters. So the rate, when you find the slope, then the slope will be meters per second. Do you understand? Meters per second. Rise is in meters and time which is run is in seconds. So that is how the rate is going to be. Correct? So let's try to understand the first one. Slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now when you write y2 minus y1, so y is, what is the rate for y? Y rate is meters. So you get meters here, do you see? And seconds for x. So the unit is meters per second. Kind of speed. Do you understand how much distance is being traveled or covered in unit time? That is what this gives you. So now you can plug in the values and solve for it. So it's -5 minus 6 divided by 3. Minus of -4 becomes 3 plus 4. Units are meters per second. Do you understand? So you get finally -11 over 7 meters per second. So that is the rate, okay? So what does this rate signify? It signifies speed, meters per second. That is the answer which I am expecting from you, correct? So that is how you have to do these questions. Copy them and try to do them yourself. Well, here is a solution for the next one. So the slope, next one is y2 is 1200 minus 0 divided by 40 minus 0. And what are the units? Units for y is dollars. We'll write dollars over hours. It looks like wages, right? So this looks like wages. Dollars per hour. And this is like speed, right? So which can be solved as 1200 over 40, correct? So when you divide 1200 by 40, what do you get? That cancels. Divide by 10 both sides, right? And get 30 dollars per hour. That's what it is. And that is kind of wages. There could be other rates also, right? One of them may be wages. Next one is slope m is equals to y2 minus y1. So we get 110 minus 150 divided by 9 minus 2. And the units are y is kg. So remember, y is on the top, numerator, and denominator is x. X is in months. Let's say months, right? So kg per month, right? And this is 110 minus 150 means minus 40 over 9 minus 2 is 7, right? So this you can divide and even write in decimals if you want, but that's fine. So that means negative 40 over 7 kilograms per month. So negative signifies reduction, right? So it could be weight loss. per month, right? So that is how this application problem is. And I hope you understand the concept where we are going, right? We're trying to relate that rate is also a slope. A slope can signify rate, and rate has got real life meaning, right? And in application problems, you'll be doing many questions like this. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.